Welcome back to Product Critique, where we bring you the best and most effective products to keep your home in top shape. Today, we're excited to introduce the best digest foaming drain cleaner on the market, Rejuvenate Garbage Disposal and Drain Pipe Cleaner. If you're tired of the unpleasant smells and grime in your kitchen sink, this is the perfect solution for you. Rejuvenate's powerful foaming action instantly cleans, maintains, and deodorizes your garbage disposal and drain pipes. Say goodbye to that awful smell that often lingers around your sink after washing dishes. This cleaner works by scrubbing away food waste, grease, and odors that build up over time in your disposer. It's like giving your sink a fresh start every time you use it. One of the standout features of this cleaner is its enzyme-powered formula. These enzymes break down food waste in your drain, reducing the need for frequent septic tank pumping. It's safe for septic systems, so you can use it regularly without worrying about damaging your plumbing. Using Rejuvenate is simple. Just drop a pod into your garbage disposal, run some water, and turn it on. The cleaner immediately activates, creating a foam that scrubs your disposer blades, walls, and splash guards. The foaming action works quickly to eliminate grease, grime, and odors, leaving your kitchen smelling fresh with either a pleasant lavender or lemon scent. The product is designed for weekly use, ensuring your garbage disposal stays clean and free of odors. It's perfect for anyone who wants to maintain a clean and odor-free kitchen without any hassle. Rejuvenate's cleaner is also safe for your drain pipes, preventing the buildup of food and waste that can cause blockages over time. What makes Rejuvenate stand out is its versatility. Whether you're dealing with stubborn smells or just want to keep things running smoothly, this cleaner is up to the task. It's not just a cleaner, it's a maintenance solution for your kitchen sink. In conclusion, Rejuvenate Garbage Disposal and Drain Pipe Cleaner is the ultimate tool for maintaining a clean, fresh-smelling kitchen. If you want to keep your kitchen running smoothly without the hassle of odors and grime, this is the product for you. Thanks for watching Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss our reviews on the best products for your home.